This Hotpoint electric double oven features a generous 65-litre capacity in the main cavity, so you can easily cook for the whole family every mealtime. The catalytic liners burn away any mess or grime while you're cooking, so all you have to do is wipe away any residue with a damp cloth. As cleaning times are reduced, maintaining this oven is hassle-free. Telescopic rails provide more flexibility when cooking, as the oven shelves can be fully extended without them tipping over, allowing you to manoeuvre heavy casserole dishes and roast dinners without fear of spillage or buckling. 8 multifunctional programs offer the flexibility to choose the right program for your cooking needs. Enjoy a helping hand and ensure delicious results whatever your ingredients are. With an A energy rating, you can watch your carbon footprint and cook delicious meals with this Hotpoint electric double oven in a stylish stainless steel finish.